to stay safe even when earthquake strikes. Villa. Let's build the brick wall first. Scrape off the excess cement. Bind the rebar columns with rebar rings. Fix it in place with steel wire. Let's fix the mold. Fill the steel reinforcement cage with concrete to make a sturdy constructional column. The steel reinforcement cage of the beam and the steel reinforcement cage of the column must be connected when building each floor. Next, pour in the concrete to make a sturdy ring beam constructional column. Thus, the houses are sturdier and more earthquake resistant. Like. Then pick the color to paint the wall. The villa is built. Great job!